guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the Latin Lambada. It's a very easy dance and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And after this session, I'm very sure too that you can do it on your own. So let me turn my back so you can see the step by step. So ready? Just step on your right foot, rock back on your left, step back on your right, hop step on your left, step back on your right, step back on your left. Now, your weight is on your left foot, so you rock back on your right, you step on your left foot, and now we're turning halfway. Still, your weight is on your left foot, okay? And now, your right foot, we're gonna do another half turn all the way back to the first wall, and now putting your weight on your right foot. Okay, so let's put that all together with a count and a little faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Okay, as soon as you step, as soon as your right foot step, weight is on your right foot, you step your left and then rock back on your right, step back on your left, half step on your right, okay, step back on your left, and now we're gonna do 2 bumps on the right, 1, 2, and another 2 bumps on the left, 3, 4. Okay, let's do that all together again. Let's put that together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so now for this wall, we'll have to repeat that twice. So let's do that again the second time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next 8 steps. You're gonna step to your right, back on your left, and do the shuffle. 1 and 2. Now step on your left, back to your right, 3 and 4. Okay. Let's do that again from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so now, last 8 counts, okay? You're gonna step, put your weight on your left foot. We're gonna turn around. So you step on your left, 1, 2, and then turn 3, 4. Turn again, 5, 6, and you turn again, 7 and 8. So you're turning quarter turn 4 times until you get to the next wall. So now we're facing this wall. We're gonna repeat from the top. So I'll do the same thing. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now you're going to do it on this wall exactly the same. So then the next wall, and then the next wall. So until the music stops. So good luck. Hope you practice. I'm pretty sure you'll get this dance. So I'll see you at the dance. Bye.